Dear colleagues, I am Dr. Igor Nečajev, Chief of Plastic Surgery at Lidingö Clinic in Stockholm, Sweden. I am inviting you to join me at Odessa Plastic Surgery Workshop, where I'm going to operate live surgery and show you my technique for endonasal rhinoplasty under the dissociative anesthesia and calf augmentation surgery. Several international top surgeons will operate at this workshop, and program looks very impressive and educational. Please join us in Odessa. Save the dates: September 13th, 14th and 15th.